Hi, boys and girls. We're here to practice more doubles plus ones. So we're going to count the cherries to help us solve the answer. So let's count by twos. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. So this answer is 15. The next one's pretty easy. It's 3. Let's count the next set of cherries. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Let's keep counting. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17. We have 2 more problems. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. And the last one is 2, 4, 6, 7. All right. On the back side, we have more counting, doubles plus ones. And since we have been doing this for so long, I want you to try this on your own. And then when you're finished, I want you to turn it into the basket.